Lewis. I just wanted to say thank you for all the work you do with eColors, Equilibria in all the different areas that affect our community, affect our children, affect sports, affect high-risk industry. And I'd also like to thank Rob Fisher for the work that's done with AERO as well. In reviewing this Intentional Leadership AERO guidebook today with you, I can see such an opportunity for reduction in errors, reduction in injuries in the industry, and utilizing this guidebook to improve communication with teams, allow leaders to improve, allow leaders to help others become leaders as well. Personally, my journey, which started back in 2018, has just been absolutely remarkable. I have learned more about myself, how I respond versus react to people, how I need to hit my pause when something's happening and think about what I need to say, how to communicate with my students, my colleagues, and just my family, understanding their personality tendencies because they've taken the PDI as well. I can look back very, just taking the opportunity to really reflect back on, say, 10 years ago and how I would have addressed adversity or how I would have felt about adversity internally. And I know now that my journey with eColors and with AERO has changed me personally, with my family, with communication with just anybody, but it's really assisted me in teaching and understanding the students' needs versus what I believe their need is, and allowing myself to grow as a person. And I can't thank you enough.
Excellent, Kristine. Thank you.